Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to add fonts to Figma. So what you want to do is head over to your web browser and go to figma.com/downloads. Once we're here, you can go to font installers and then click Windows installer. So now that we're here, what you want to do is click on install Figma agent. It's completed. So let's get our font. I use the font, but I'm just gonna type in now fonts. Non-copyright fonts. Let's download this one, just a random one. Now what I'm gonna do is I already created a new folder that I'm gonna extract the font in this new folder like this. Once I've done that, I'm gonna open up the font and click install. So what you want to do now is close Figma and then open it back up again. And there you go. That's how to install a brand new font in Figma. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.